How to turn off Facebook memories. Sick of being reminded about a former life, you can stop Facebook memories from racking up the past. Facebook has been around since 2004, so if you were an early adapter, that's a lot of photo status updates and comment saved to your account with Facebook memories. The social network can remind you of a moment. It be lives you want to relive, but there will be memories you rather forget. Just that word haircut of friend and family who has passed. Unfortunately, you cannot disable Facebook memories completely, but you can at let's mute reminder, exclude certain people or remove specific data. It is a fairly process, but you have to know where to look on the web. Access memory setting by clicking the 9 dot menu icon and selecting memories under the personal header. For the mobile app, open the menu and select memories from the list of options and future. Now click the gear icon in the corner to top the memory setting page. The memories of that ill fat party is in 2007 will live forever in the back of your mind. You do not need Facebook to remind you of it, to especially not view an notification on the web. Click notification on the left side of the page. On mobile, the notification menu will appear when you click the gear icon. The default all memories is selected, which will notify you each time Facebook think you need to see something but you do not. So either choose highlighting to get notified about a special video or known to turn off notification completely. If you like Facebook memories but do not enjoy being reminded about your time with a specific person, you can exclude them from any memories in which they are tagged. Choose hide people. It is just people on mobile and type their name in the text field. When their profile pops up, select it to add them to your hidden list. You can even add yourself to hide all posts that tag your account on the web. You must first click save before the change takes. Return to this page if you want to block more people or remove someone from the list. If it is less about a specific person and more a certain day or time in your life, you can remove an exit date or date range from showing up in your memories. Select date, hide date, and click add new data range on the web where you can enter dates to be excluded from your memories. Click save and the range will be preserved. Add a many days are needed. You can then return to this page if you want to add or remove dates. As a PCMag editor of how to content, I have to cover a wide variety of topics and also make our stories accessibility to everyday user. Considering my history as a technical writer, copywriter, and all around free covering baseball comes and more at various outlets. I am used to making myself into an expert. Default all memories is selected, which will notify you each time Facebook think you need to see something but you do not.